Chinese powerlifters have emerged as dominant forces, consistently shattering records and setting new benchmarks. Their ascension in this demanding sport is not mere happenstance, but the result of a meticulously crafted regimen that encompasses rigorous training, precise nutrition, and dedicated recovery protocols. This article delves into the intricate details of how Chinese powerlifters train, what they eat, and how they recover to achieve their phenomenal strength, while also highlighting some of the most accomplished lifters and their impressive achievements. The achievements of Chinese powerlifters on the global stage are a testament to their rigorous training and dedication. One such legend is Xiaojun, who has set multiple world records and won several world championships. His exceptional technique and strength in the squat and clean and jerk have made him a dominant force in the 81 kilos weight class. Another notable lifter is Tian, known for his incredible clean and jerk abilities and his resilience in overcoming injuries to remain a top competitor. These athletes exemplify the results of the Chinese powerlifting approach, showcasing unparalleled strength and skill. Chinese powerlifters' training programs are renowned for their intensity, volume, and specificity. At the core of their success is a methodical approach to periodization, which divides the training year into phases, each with a specific focus. The accumulation phase emphasizes building muscle mass and work capacity through higher volume and moderate intensity. This is followed by the transmutation phase, where the focus shifts to increasing strength with higher intensity and moderate volume. Finally, the realization phase aims to peak the lifter's strength in preparation for competition with high intensity and low volume. Technique mastery is paramount in Chinese powerlifting. Lifters spend countless hours perfecting their form in the squat, bench press, and deadlift. Coaches emphasize biomechanical efficiency, ensuring lifters use their body leverage optimally, and consistency, with regular practice ingraining muscle memory. Accessory work targets weaknesses and ensures balanced muscle development, incorporating exercises like Romanian deadlifts, front squats, and incline bench presses. Chinese powerlifters often train up to 6 days a week, with multiple sessions per day. This high-frequency training allows for skill reinforcement and continuous strength adaptations. Training intensity is carefully regulated to avoid overtraining, alternating between maximal effort days, where lifters perform near maximal lifts, dynamic effort days, focusing on speed and explosiveness with submaximal weights, and recovery days, utilizing lighter weights to promote blood flow and recovery. Nutrition plays a critical role in the success of Chinese powerlifters, designed to support intense training and optimize recovery. Their diets are meticulously balanced in macronutrients, with a high intake of protein from sources like lean meats, eggs, tofu, and dairy to support muscle repair and growth. Carbohydrates, essential for sustaining high-intensity training, come from rice, noodles, sweet potatoes, fruits, and whole grains. Healthy fats from nuts, seeds, fish, and avocados support hormonal function and provide long-lasting energy. A diverse diet rich in vegetables, fruits, and whole grains ensures adequate intake of essential vitamins and minerals. Hydration is vital, with lifters encouraged to drink plenty of water and electrolyte-rich beverages. Meal timing is strategic, with carbohydrates and proteins consumed pre-workout to fuel the session, and a combination of proteins and carbohydrates post-workout to replenish glycogen stores and initiate muscle repair. Recovery is a cornerstone of the Chinese powerlifting paradigm. Active recovery, including light activities like walking, stretching, and light cardio, helps maintain blood flow and aid recovery. Traditional Chinese medicine techniques, such as massage and acupuncture, are often employed to alleviate muscle soreness and improve recovery rates. Quality sleep, aiming for 8 to 10 hours per night, is critical for muscle recovery and overall well-being. Short naps during the day provide an additional recovery boost. Stress management techniques, such as meditation, deep breathing, and mindfulness, help lifters maintain a positive mindset and enhance mental focus. Recovery modalities like cold therapy and compression garments further aid in reducing inflammation, enhancing blood flow, and speeding up recovery. The remarkable strength of Chinese powerlifters is no accident. It is the result of a finely tuned balance of rigorous training, precise nutrition, and dedicated recovery. By understanding and adopting some of these principles, athletes around the world can gain insights into the meticulous approach that drives these lifters to greatness. Their journey exemplifies that excellence in powerlifting, as in any endeavor, requires a holistic and disciplined approach, where every detail matters in the pursuit of unparalleled strength. The dedication and precision with which Chinese powerlifters approach their training, nutrition, and recovery are a testament to the level of commitment required to excel in this demanding sport. By meticulously balancing these elements, they achieve extraordinary results, setting new standards and inspiring athletes globally to push the boundaries of human strength and performance.